Greeting YouTubians, it's your boy Marcus, aka The Hulk, coming with you with another episode of Dream Working. That's right, we dream working. If you ain't got it, go get it. Go get your dream, go chase it. Be a dream chaser. Get it, hold it, tackle it. So I'm not letting you go, dream, not until I achieve what I want to achieve. Guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I promise I'm back. I actually moved back to my hometown. You know, I kind of missed it for the most part. You know, it was growing up here. I didn't want to be here, but you know, being away from it, it's like I want to be there. Strange, I know. Anyways, I moved back because I want to get a house, and this is a good market to get a house in. So that's great. Another big plus of me moving back is so I can work out. I mean, my best workouts, I mean, hands down, has been in Valdosta. It's not because of, you know, where I was working out. It was who I was working out with, you know, my workout partners. And I'm able to meet them back at the gym. I mean, and they're dedicated. I mean, they're going to be there. They'll be there. I mean, it's been times where it's like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. You get a phone call. Hey, man, what you doing? None. Just chilling. That's bro, man. But anyways, let's go to the gym. All right, cool. I'll meet you there. It's like that's what I needed. That's that push I needed. So, been down here in Valdosta for about a month now. Shout out to the Wildcats. A little shout out to the Vikings. Ain't worried about that. But anyways, I've been out here for about a month now, and you know, I've seen a big change already in my body. Just like arms getting bigger, legs getting bigger, you know, and my waist is getting smaller. So what we need, what we want. I am away from my boot thing, you know, just for a little while, just to after the wedding, which is on the 14th, so 13 more days. So I had to cook for myself. If y'all been following me on Instagram, even on Facebook, my Better Than Fast Food, stuck through that, let's try it again. Better Than Fast Food, my BTFF. That's been all me this time. You know, she ain't had to cook because there's no way I'll make it down here in time. But anyways, you know, so your boy's burning in the kitchen now. A lot of props to her because it's not as easy as it looks, but it's fun. Portion control is a must for losing this weight. So when I left Chattanooga, I was at 265. I don't know where I am now because I don't have that scale, and I'd rather base it off that scale. I left it up there. I did it for a good reason, because I just wanted to get back into the flow of working out on how we're supposed to be working out. Because it's like I was being lazy back in Chattanooga, being a little lazy. So I wanted to just, you know, go ahead and get a solid routine down. I got that now, so I'm happy. Very happy with that. So when I go back to chat, I'm gonna step on the scale, and I'll give y'all results from that. But like I said, I'm back. Videos are gonna start back coming up. I still been watching y'all videos. I've been trying to leave little comments as I could. I'm just happy to be back and about to go out. You know, I think I'm about to go run. Let's see. I might go run. It's hot. It's like 93. I think I'm gonna wait to run. But I'm gonna run today. I'm gonna run. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do little sit-ups and push-ups here at home. You know, I get a little workout in that way. And I'm gonna run tonight. So y'all stay tuned and keep following me on this beautiful, I got a few more beautifuls in me, hold on. Beautiful lifestyle change. Come on, y'all, go get those dreams.